Who says it rains in San Diego? And if you watch KUSI for the last 25 years, you have never seen me cancel a segment if it's raining. Why? Because rain is gold. It's great. I don't have to wash this shirt. It's going to be here. Hey, let's go back to the car. Okay, now you all know I'm not an electric car guy. I'm just telling you, I'll review them, I'll drive them. I just wouldn't personally purchase one except this one. 2026 Porsche Macan GTS, top of the line, all electric. I tell you what, this has been the most fun to drive. Nimble, quick steering, air suspension, 0 to 60 something miles an hour in 3 seconds. My wife almost lost dinner last night. She yelled at me because I just hammered it. 3/4, I got to tell you, not full, 3/4, unbelievable. You know, one thing else that's unique about Porsche, whether it be the Panamera or the Macan, is that when you're sitting in the driver's seat and you look forward, it's like you're sitting in a 911 until you turn around and look, and it's not. Rear steer, how cool is that? I mean, this car, it's got everything. I mean, and it is just an absolute blast. I don't have a range number on it because the car just came out. They were doing something here in San Diego, and they called me up. They said, hey, would you like it for a couple days? I said, absolutely. So I don't have all of the tech on it, but I'll be getting you some more tech down the road. I'll probably talk them in to send it to me again. All right, it's raining a little bit, so let's do a walk around. Carmine Red is the color. Happy Valentine's Day. All right, here we go. It's, like I said, Carmine Red, rear axle steer. The seats are heated. It's also got a frunk. And look at that. Man, if you get your chin over that. But did you like that? Could you believe it? If you're up front and close and personal, you're not going to like it. It'll hit you right in the chops. Check this out. So, whack. Open wide sesame. Now, you'd think all the electrical stuff is in here. It's not. You got a tire kit in the event you have a flat, but you have lots of room for, well, not lots of room, but you got room to store all your stuff. I was totally impressed with that because, you know, a lot of electric cars, they don't give you that option. Okay, so then you've got 21-inch tire and wheel package, high performance, I might add. You've got the lower sills with the GTS down the side, all blacked out, which is really kind of cool. Blacked out wheels as well, which really, I think it looks great. It's got a lot of other items, carbon fiber interior. It's got Racetech headliner. Look at the interior. And if you sit in it, it's got total race seats. Their bolstering is extremely well. You got and because I have my key fob in it and I get close, the car starts. And listen to the Bose sound system. I got to turn it up. It's just really nice. Oh, wait a minute. We probably can't play that music in case there might be some legality there. I better turn that off. You know how that kind of stuff goes. Okay, you also have a back. It's not a great back seat, but it's a back seat. It'll handle 2 people as long as you don't slide your seats, the seats all the way back at the front. It's got it's a really nice kind of a Racetech material that works extremely well. Sunroof on top, didn't bother to open it. You've also got another unique thing on an electric car that you don't normally find, and that is the fact that you could plug this in and you can plug it in on both sides, either side of the car, which I thought was quite unique because you don't normally see that. You got a 4-zone climate control. But check this out. You got your plug there, and you got the identical over on the other side. Put a nice little wing tip on the back, rear wiper blade. You got the diffusers in the back. I almost said dual exhaust, but it doesn't have dual exhaust. But you still got plenty of, storage in the back. This is all your electrical connectors if you need them. The seats fold down. Easy if you need to load up some packages or gear or want to go on a little overnighter, it's not a problem at all. But the whole key to this car is, I'm telling you, is driving. This thing is amazing. So if you're looking for, if you're a Porsche enthusiast and you have a family and you still want that 911 touch to it, you've got it. It's right here in the Macan GTS. Now, I'm going to tell you, there is a gas version of this car. I talked to Calvin Kim. He's with Porsche yesterday. There'll be an interview this Sunday if you're interested in tuning in at 2 o'clock. And they were going to discontinue it, but it seems like the sales have taken off so well. See, here's another one. Have taken off so well that they're kind of rethinking it because it's really selling well. But you're going to have this electric version. I highly recommend it. It is not the cheapest on the block, $105,300 base. This thing's got $18,000 worth of options. Freight's going to run you $2,350, so you're looking at about $125,000. Worth every penny, and I don't normally say that. And like I said, I'm not an electric car guy, but if I'm going to get an electric car, this is my electric car. You don't believe it? Go check it out at a Porsche dealer. Go to it for a test drive. And all I can say is, hang on. All right, don't forget, this will be on my YouTube channel, Mr. Dave Stahl. Also, KCBQ AM 1170 will cover it as well. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Even if you might see this a little late, just take care of the lady.